Huh?
What?
The battery's dead.
It can't be.
What are you doing?
I want to see.
You don't need to see. I'm telling you, the battery's dead.
Don't talk to me like that. Don't talk to me in that condescending way. Who do you think you are? I've spent money on that. Come on. Let me look.
What's wrong with us? Why can't we say or do or think one single thing of any benefit to the human race? What's the point of being here, of being made great human beings as we are, when we just sit on our asses watching TV and playing with phones and... I mean, even my cat does more worthwhile things than we do.
You don't have a cat, Simon?
I did when I was a little boy.
Yes, but... You're not a boy now, are you? It works. You're a man. You're a man, and everything you say is important. And everything you think has its consequences. Like it or not, we're in charge of the whole universe. From the provision of stars to every single dim sheep tottering about the valley.
Including cats.
Including... Oh God, you're so totally right. Cats. So, let's not pretend we don't have any responsibility. Because, like it or not, we're in charge of the whole show.
I mean, you are.